Hey everybody, got the Qidi Max 4 the other day, got it set up and posted a video. Not too long after that, I got an issue where the chamber heater and the heated bed are no longer working. So if I can get this to focus right, if you go on here and you call for 50 degrees preheat and same for the chamber heater, you'll hear the fan start up. And if I take you to the other side. Okay, so we got on the other side. The chamber fan starts when you call for heat, but there's no heating happening. Narrowed it down to this board, which is your heater control board, controls the chamber heater as well as the bed. Checked with the multimeter that we have 120 volts coming into the board here. This wire goes out to your bed, and then if you look up here, these two go over to your chamber heater. Got 0 volts on all of that when calling for preheat. It's not on now, but there's also a red LED here that indicates that you got your 24 volts from your main board. So it seems like all that's working good. Power in, no power out equals bad. So trying to film this again. Sorry if my filming skills aren't that great, but doing the best we can. I will do another video probably once I get that board, and I'll show you guys how we install it and everything. I think it'll be really good. The benchy that I got out last after changing some settings and things was actually really good. No artifacts. The bridging was perfect. The layer adhesion looked great. So I think it'll be good. Hopefully the new board takes care of that. Qidi's been great. Even though it's their holiday, they've been getting back to me. And they're going to send the board out on the 23rd, they said. So hopefully it comes in quick. Not ideal for a new printer, but I guess that's how the cookie crumbles. Don't super mind working on things. I'd rather be printing, but we'll get there. For the price and what the machine is supposed to do on paper, it's kind of hard to beat. So once it actually is working and we get these little things ironed out, I think it'll be really nice and worth the money. I hope. So more to come on that later. Thanks for watching Spaghetti Mode.